Weighted training balls. Set includes a 6-pack of 16 ounces training balls measuring 2.8 feet for baseball and softball training. Great for all skill levels. Perfect for beginners and experienced players looking to build strength while improving hitting and throwing mechanics to take their game to the next level. Coach favorite. Essential training tool for perfecting the fundamentals of batting and pitching to achieve ideal form and technique through instant feedback. Heavy-duty rubber shell. Soft yet durable rubber casing is built to withstand countless hitting and practice sessions whether you're on the field or in the batting cage. GoSports Pledge. GoSports is a U.S. company with U.S. customer support 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Top reviews from the United States. Good for jugglers too. This is a great price for a set of 6 balls. While they seem to be aimed at the baseball community, they are also a great addition to a juggler's arsenal. The weight of the balls is good for warming up and for strength training or juggling while jogging. The loose filling also means the balls will not bounce all over the place when practicing. Similar juggling-specific weighted balls sell for much more for just a set of 3. These seem to be very nice quality and should last a long time.